everyone. In previous class we have studied about the elements are classified based on their properties like metals, non-metals and the metalloids, and how the properties of non-metals are varies from along the period and the down the group, and how the metallic character is varies from along the period and with the group. So like this, based on this concept I wish to discuss with you the problem which is mentioned in your NCERT book. Let's come to the question, guys. Considering the atomic number and the position of periodic table, arrange the following elements in the increasing order of their metallic character. So already you know that, guys, how the metallic character is varies from along the period and varies from with the group. Just remember that the metallic character increases down the group and decreases along the period. So along the period means we are going to left to right. We are move with left to right. This to this side of periodic table. Just observe these 2 points and arrange these elements, guys. Just I wish to show here the rough diagram of the periodic table is here. This is the first group and this is the second group. As we go like third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, so like this, guys. So this is along the period and this is down the group of the periodic table. Just observe here, the sodium metal is present in a third period. Magnesium also present in a third period. Silicon and phosphorus, and the beryllium is present in a second period. Already you know that down the group the metallic character is increases. They also says write the increasing order of metallic character. Just see here, decreases along the period means left to right. So these are having a less metallic character as we move from left to right. So we are having the highest metallic character, sodium. So here I have to write a sodium. Sodium is having a high metallic character. And next, guys, along the period, just observe beryllium and magnesium. So beryllium is in a second period. As we move down the group, the metallic character increases. So down, which element we are having down the group? Like this, magnesium. So the second element is magnesium. Magnesium is high metallic character than the beryllium. And next, along the period, decreases the metallic character. So along the period, just observe here, first we are having the silicon and next phosphorus. So the sodium metal having the high metallic character than the magnesium, and the magnesium having the high metallic character than the beryllium. Beryllium have high metallic character than the silicon and then the phosphorus. So this is the way of or arrangement of their increasing order of their metallic character. I hope you got clear this concept. Just to solve these type of questions, just to remember the trends of their metallic characters like with a group and with a period.